Anna, I think you have some useful contributions on this topic, though, don't you?
Yes, I do. I'm going to talk about a couple of things. First, I'm going to talk about a mood tracker. Mental health is important, and part of that is being aware of our moods so we can control them. The Play Store is full of sophisticated mood tracking apps, but the app I'm going to tell you about is a very simple diary app that does the same thing very accessibly. The app is called My Diary by Krida Creations. Krida is spelled Krida. Kilo Romeo India Delta Alpha. There probably isn't a Play Store link in the show notes for this app because the app appears to be relatively new, has about 100 downloads, and doesn't appear to have a share button.
My diary. My diary. Login. Enter PIN.
When you open the app for the first time, you need to enter your name and set up a PIN. I did.
Password, size 3 to 10, edit box. Switch to UEB uncontracted. Showing Braille keyboard. Number. Bullet. 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 Keyboard hidden. Enter, button. Hello, Anna.
Across the top of the app we have,
Hello, Anna.
then in the top right corner, Settings, and
Delete all days.
Delete all days. In the bottom right corner, we have an unlabeled Add button.
Add button.
The rest of the screen shows a list of entries. I'll show those to you later in this demo. For now, we're going to create a new entry. So we're tapping Add in the bottom right corner.
Add a day. Navigate up button.
Across the top, we have Navigate Up in the top left corner.
Navigate up button. Add a day.
And in the right corner, we have Save. Below that, we have 3 edit fields on one line. They are Day,
CD, edit box.
Month,
Edit box.
and Year.
Y, edit box.
Let's go ahead and enter the date.
CD, edit box. Switch to uncontracted Braille.
Today is the 21st.
Number. 2. 1. Keyboard hidden. Edit box. Switch to uncontracted Braille.
Of August.
Number. 0. 8. Keyboard hidden.
2021.
Y, edit box. Switch to uncontracted Braille. Number. 2. 0. 2. 1. Keyboard hidden.
Below that row of fields, we have
Feeling.
an edit box for feelings.
How was your day 3 period? Edit box. Showing Braille keyboard.
You have a limited number of characters here, so you can only write a couple of words. I'm going to write
Cap. RELAX. Ed.
relaxed.
Relaxed. Keyboard hidden.
And below that, we have
Description.
an edit box
Write something about your day 3 period. Edit box.
for the actual diary entry.
Showing Braille keyboard.
This edit box is designed for one paragraph.
Cap. LOUNG. Ed. Lounge. AR. Dots 4th D. Around. The. HOUSE. Period. House. Cap. RECORD. Ed. Recorded. The. PODCA. Street. Podcast. With. The. CREW. Period. Crew. Cap. RAN. and S. Period. Errands. Cap. C. A. U. G. H. T. Cot. U. P. Up. With. Cap. B. E. C. K. Y. Period. Becky. Cap. W. A. B. R. Weather. I. S. Is. B. A. U. T. I. Dots 5 L. CC. Beautiful. L. Ow. Low. Number. 9. 0. Apostrophe S. 90s. 4. A. C. A. N. G. E. Period. Change. Keyboard hidden.
So I finished writing my journal entry.
Lounged around the house. Recorded the podcast with the crew. Ran errands. Caught up with Becky. Weather is beautiful. Low 90s for a change. Edit box. Write something about your day.
Now I am ready to tap save in the top right corner.
Save. Day save. Hello, Anna. Add button.
We're back on the main home screen. I'm going to show you what the list of entries is like. Starting at the top.
Date, the 16th of July 2021, relieved. Date, the 13th of June 2021, disappointed but can do. Date, the 16th of June 2021, overwhelmed. Date, the 21st of August 2021, relaxed.
And so on.
Talk about angelic and non-angelic moods, huh?
Yes. Okay.